be professional. You have to be professional no matter how to be professional. If you're professional environment, of course, professionalism, or professional, you are
super. Like the professionalism, Pooja.
Good day, everyone. I am Pooja Acharya, and welcome back to my little UGC corner. So it is 10:10 right now, and I am getting ready to hop on a brand call for a UGC collab. So in this video, I'm gonna take you all along with me to show you how exactly a brand collab meet goes about. Please don't mind the way my hair looks right now. It's been a week I washed my hair, and don't worry, tomorrow is my wash day. Ow, my nose is itching. Let's put on my makeup and let me tell you about this brand collab. It's the second brand collab for me this month. It's a very nice niche. It's not like I've not worked with this niche before, but it felt like a different sub-niche, if you want to put it that way. And I'm really excited to get this collab though. Just before you hop on the brand call, just go to their website and kind of get to know them. What exactly they are, what do they do, and then sort of have this content brief so that you're ready. Whenever you hop on a call, you're prepared on what exactly that you have to ask. And if you need the content brief, just put down in the comments. I'll just send you the template or something. Don't embarrass yourself and just know about the name of the brand and the person that you're gonna talk with. Honestly, it's very important for you to be professional in no matter what stage of UGC you're in, or be it the first time you're talking with the brand, or to be professional no matter in what level you are. Even though you are a beginner, even though you're just learning, the first thing you have to learn about UGC is how to be professional. If you're professional, it's as if like half of the collab is already confirmed and the rest half is based on the skills that you do. And of course, please don't be afraid to discuss your budget. And you cannot be afraid, you can only be confident when you know what sort of budget you're setting yourself for. So always have all of the rate card written somewhere or just in your laptop. Just open that tab and have it ready. You don't have to fumble and you don't have to wait a minute, because I strongly believe that you asking for a minute to search for what you should already know is definitely not something that's professional. And what I do is I always record the whole meet. The computer allows I do it, or if it doesn't, then I just record it separately on my phone so that I can go back to it later. And if I've missed something important, then I would just know about it. And if you could see my creative brief, I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna ask these questions and write down the answers beside it as fast as I can so that I'm not wasting anybody's time. And of course, it's not a bad thing to ask for a bit of time for you to think about something and then answer, be it. Or if they're asking for usage rights, take your time, think about it and decide. You need not say it directly right there on the brand call. You can just wait and send them a mail or message them later as well. But it's always better to be prepared. It shows how confident you are and how you know what you're doing. And please be attentive during the meeting, because that's such a basic thing to say, but you don't want to miss something important when they're saying, and you don't really have to misunderstand something. If you don't understand what the brand is saying, ask and be polite with how you talk. Definitely don't be rude, and definitely don't be like you know everything. Just listen to them. Even though you know about the brand, you have prepared yourself, you've gone through their website. Don't be like you're in a classroom and you're supposed to answer the questions. No, think before you say anything, because you don't want to talk something that is not important. And honestly, don't hurry yourself. Like for example, if they require 4 videos, then you gotta calculate it all. Just don't hurry yourself. Just if you can calculate it right then well and good. If not, just let them know that you will send them the rate card of the entire package soon. These curls are killing me. I might want to run something over this curl, or I'm just gonna pin it back. I think pinning it back is better. I'm just relaxed. So another point to add is just keep yourself as relaxed as possible and not give way for any sort of panic because the more you panic, the more you would lose control on your decisions, and it's not what you want. And trust yourself that everything is going to go well. Okay, I'm tired of talking. I'm so hungry. I didn't have my breakfast, so let me continue my yap as I am eating. Oh, by the way, before I forget, also as much as you can avoid these technical errors from your side, because you don't want to disturb the whole thing, the whole vibe, the whole professional environment. Of course, genuine human mistakes are forgivable, but if you're like me who value professionalism and something happens from the other side, I would be so annoyed, I would be so pissed off that my energy would go so down that I might even cancel off this whole thing. First, be polite if that happens and apologize right away. It's not as if like your ego is important than your work. I know that's a controversial statement, but then you would understand the situation, and if it's a very genuine mistake from your side, I think it's better to apologize That's great. So do not skip your breakfast or your food no matter what. If you need your brain to work sanely, you need to have your food. Otherwise, you're gonna have a heck of a time, trust me. So I have my desk ready, I have my laptop, I have my tab, I have my phone, I have my water bottle. I'm not scared because this is not exactly the first time I'm hopping on a brand call. That's because I know I'm prepared. I have my confidence right here. It's a tablet. There I have my confidence. There's really nothing to worry about. If you know how you can handle yourself no matter what comes, then you sort of really have nothing to be afraid of. It could be a physical situation or it could even be an emotional situation. Just be prepared for it and just be mature enough, okay? We're not kids, we are dealing business here. We don't want your name or the name of your business to be ruined. The meeting is at 11:15, so I'm gonna hop on to the link at 11. I'm punctual, very punctual. It's not like you're impressing the brand in any way. No matter what you do, it kind of subconsciously or unconsciously adds points to their list, okay? It's like the more professional you are in your job, the more plus points are added, and the more unprofessional you go, the more negative points would get added. And all of this happens subconsciously or unconsciously. Not like you're directly impressing them, but you are sort of setting an image for yourself, for your brand, for your service that you provide, for your work. Why would you want that to be negative, right? Sure, you don't want to watch me finish all of this, so I'm gonna finish it and come back. It is 11:05. I'm gonna click on the link and just see everything is set or not. I'm all set for the Google Meet. I have all my content briefs right here, and then the rate card that I had sent. I have their website open. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Give me 1 more minute. I'll get in touch with 2 of my more colleagues.
Yeah, no problem. I joined from the wrong email ID and it's so weird. There are like 3 people joining.
How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I saw your profile.
Uh-huh.
I must say you have a good, clean appearance.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
I am so sorry, so very sorry to be so extremely late.
That's alright. That's
Pooja, great work.
Thanks a lot.
What we have seen on Insta.
Super. Like the professionalism, Pooja.
Thanks
I
a
can
lot.
see you were keying in all the information that I was giving you.
That's right.
Let's see how the outcome is.
Sure.
Thank you, Pooja, for your time.
Thank you. Oh my god, I'm done. That is how basically a brand call goes. It's usually very good, and this honestly was one of the best brand call that I ever had. The amount of trust they put in, the entire vibe that they gave, the energy that they just put in there was amazing, and they were so sure about my capabilities, what I have done based on my previous work, based on seeing my Instagram, their expectations, the clarity that they gave me, and it would just make it everything simple for me to work with. I really want to put in my efforts, put in my best to this brand. First impression that they gave was so good, and I hope the entire thing would just go out as smoothly as it just went. And honestly, this is how you make customers. I'm not just saying it from the brand's perspective, but this is how flexible you are supposed to be. This is how simple, clarified, how professional. They did mention the term, and I'm so honored today that they really appreciated how professional I am. That is the best honor that I am receiving. Just made my day. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much for listening, for my yappings. Definitely gonna meet in our next video, and then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, the share, the comment, any buttons that you can find, and let's see each other again. Until then, bye bye.